All right, guys. Demo's about to start. 106 West King, baby. Ready, Peyton? All right. Got to move this up. Get everything all unloaded. You get out and grab that. Yeah, move that. I was gonna say move that. Hey, just move it like by the driveway. That should work. Right there should be good. Hey, Peyton, just get everything out of the back of that. Open that up and...
Still not closer.
Yeah, everything in here, we gotta get out. The cones, just set it by the trailer. Actually, just put it in the grass for right now. You got a water bivvy. Demo time, baby. The only reason why we're using the water is to keep the dust down. Nobody wants to breathe in on any of this shit, so. I don't know what I'm gonna name the channel yet, but it's gonna be the raw, uncut version of what we do on a day-to-day basis. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holy shit, look at that, boys. God. Woohoo! Oh, that was funny. Tear the house down. All right, guys, this is the other part of the demo. We got 1, 2, 3 trees we got to take down. As you can see, the problem with this one is It's dead at the top, so you don't really know which way it's gonna fall, and you can see there's, yeah, pretty bad. And there's a pipe right there. This one, not so much of a big deal. This one though, right over here, is gonna be somewhat of an issue. You can see you got some overhang onto the other people's property. And another thing to point out too is you can see how freaking gigantic this damn stump is. It's at least 6 feet wide, because you can see it goes all the way into there. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna take this too, and that crepe myrtle, and I don't know what that is. I think it's like some palm. Yep. Right in the city of Orlando. Precision excavation and grading, baby. You know how I always tell you, I'm like, my dad would never let anybody else do some shit? I'm like that too, low key. Like, I don't know why. Oh, look at that water tank. Jiggle it off, buddy. Come on. Come on, jiggle it off. Shake it off. I actually listened to that song when I was like 10. Hey, we'll take breaks. Stay over there and get cool, and then once I get too hot, we'll switch. Yeah, working in Florida is no joke with the heat, I'm telling you. Something different. Nice big old piece of brick. Watch out, he's probably gonna put it over here. I'm assuming. Whoever built that, they definitely built that wrong. None of that even broke up. Look at that. That's nuts. Oh, well, it broke.
Listen to what I want to do. You back that trailer, and I want to be just like this. Same place, almost to here. Before yins leave, I want to get this cleaned up. You know, right here, so I can push this concrete in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. You want to?
All right. Well, watch out, because I'm gonna back this truck.
All right. Oh shit. Yeah.
They close at 3:30, so
3:34.
yeah. So you gotta be out of here by
Like
2:30 at the latest.
yeah.
Get the hose and get up here on the truck, and you tell me where to do it while it
Get a drink before we start. Nice old Gatorade. Ooh, almost fell. As you guys can see, going pretty good. Got the tree down. We're gonna take that at the end of the day because that's a bunch of tree stuff that we could just burn at the house. Got to take that down too and stump grind it. Same thing with all those other trees I showed you guys. That pile that used to be there is all in here. But the dump closes at 3:45, it's 1:44, so. Yeah. We got about until 2:30 to get loaded, and then we gotta go straight to the dump. All right, boys, we gotta drive this load to the dump. Gotta adjust the trailer brakes because we got those electronic brakes. We don't got the good brakes, so got a 31-minute drive. Hello. Hi. C&D. You don't gotta get out. You're fine. Alright guys, as you can see, this is what a Florida landfill looks like. Bunch of concrete over here. Grapple truck right there. Yep.
Is it supposed to have that much to it?
Yep.
Yeah. Some sick shit.
Hey, check the tires on that side. All right, shut those doors. Alright guys, as you can see, most of the C&D stuff is somewhat gone. Now we gotta pick through all this. Yeah, just hand me all that that white box and I'll throw it away. Oh, wait, what the f? God. Alright guys, as you can see, the whole house is gone. Now all we got to do is scrape all this grass, get it out. Our tree guy's gonna get that one, and that one all down, then we're gonna have to haul that away and stump grind all 3 of those stumps. But what we gotta do now is we gotta grade, baby. We gotta grade. Which really isn't grading, it's just like back dragging. I'm just trying to fill in the low spot behind me. That's all I'm trying to do. Yeah, it makes it a little bit low in the front, but I mean, what can you do about it, right? Only reason why I'm doing this is because it's low in the middle and I gotta work my way out, and then I gotta park the machine out that in the front anyway, so. Hey, there's a pipe. As you can see, guys, we're getting it all graded out, ski. Now I gotta go up here, make one more drag this way, and I think we should be good. I'm gonna get this dirt actually and get it where I need it. Get one more over here. All we need is that little bit and it'll fucking help, baby. Hey, grab that stick. It's on the fence. Got it somewhat leveled, somewhat. I'm not gonna say it's perfect at all. Definitely a low spot right there, but the house was a stem wall, so all we got to do now is put the silt fence up there, run silt fence from the driveway up to that fence, and then we're done. Job done in 2 days, baby. All right, boys, just got to pull this trailer back around so we can beat that silt fence in by that apron driveway, and we should be f***ing golden. Woo! I got that wheel, boy. Look at that. House not there, buddy. There we go. Alright, let me show you guys the after. Alright, guys, silt fence done.
Hell yeah.
All we gotta do is get the trees. Well, the tree guys are, but then we gotta come load it all up, grind it all up, and haul that out. We're done. Alright, guys. See you on the next one.